FXPy here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a shooter game in Python part 3. So let's get started. Let's see what we have done till now. So basically there's a window that opens up and it's named Alien Apocalypse, and we can rotate the player because it always points to a mouse pointer, so the player rotates. And we can also move the player with WASD. So that's really nice. So now let's actually make the bullets as promised. So here after the self.angle, let's make a self.bullets, and that will actually be dictionary. And here we'll make a self.bullet count, which will be equal to 0. Then let's make a self.delete bullets, which will be a list, and you'll understand what this does later on. So let's just make let's go into this run function of our app class. And here inside this for loop of events, let's just make another if statement. Event.type is equal to pygame.mouseButtonDown. It basically means if you click any of the buttons on the mouse, then we can just do self.player dot create bullet, or we can actually just do shoot. Self.player.shoot. And let's make a def shoot. Here we put self. And let's make it now. Let's increase the bullet count by 1. Increment it basically, in other languages you could say. Then self.bullets of bullet count. Self.bullet count, which will be another dictionary. And here let's make this thing. Let's just copy this. And over here we'll just access the image. We'll actually make another attribute of image, and that will be pygame.transform.rotozoom of let's say self.bullet image, self.angle, and 1. And this bullet image we have to define. So let's do it here. Self.bullet image is equal to pygame.surface, and in this it will be 5 and 15. Yes, that should work. And we'll just fill this self.bullet image dot fill, and we'll fill it with red. And here let's just make we'll just duplicate this line. So let's just do this, and instead of image we'll do angle, and we'll do math.aTan2. And here we'll actually do pygame.mouse or get position. And here we'll access the first value, so 0, and minus self.position.x. So this is the player x position. Then we can just copy this and put it after a comma. And we'll change this 0 to a 1, and we'll change this x to a y. And that should be all for the image and the angle. And here let's just make a self.bullets of bullets, and then self.bullet count. And here let's actually make a position is equal to another vector2, so pygame.math.vector2. And here we'll pass in self.position.x and self.position.y, which is basically the player x and player y position. And because we want this bullet to start with the player, that's why self.bullets of let's see self.bullet count of draw position this time. This will be an empty vector2 basically, and we'll fill it later on when we update the players. So this will just be an empty vector2, and in this update function we have to make a for loop. So for bullet, or actually let's not do bullet, let's do bullet name in let's see self.bullets. Let's do self.bullets, or actually let's just make a variable. Bullet is equal to self.bullets of bullet name. Okay, here now let's access all the values. Basically what we have to do is update this draw position variable first. So bullet of let's say draw position dot x is equal to, then we can just copy this and instead of x we can do instead of draw position we can just do position dot x and then minus bullet of image dot get width, because it's a surface, right? This image is a surface, so we can get the width and then by 2. Then we can just duplicate this. Instead of width we can actually do height. Then we can do y instead of x, and this will also be y instead of x. And then we can just do screen dot width, as we have taken this screen in this as a parameter, so we can just do bullet of image and bullet of let's say position, or draw position, sorry, draw position. And here we have to check if it has gone like outside the screen, so that we can delete the bullets, otherwise it will just take up the space in our computer, right? So let's see if bracket or bracket or bracket or bracket, because there are 4 conditions, right? As if it goes to the right of the screen, to the left, or on the top or bottom. So let's see. Well, let's going to the right. Let's do bullet position dot x. That is the x position of the bullet, and if it's greater than screen dot get width, basically, then otherwise you can just copy this. So let's just copy it. If it is smaller than 0, or if this instead of x we'll just do y, and if it's greater than screen dot get height this time, then otherwise if it's less than 0, and we'll change this to y again, then basically we'll do self dot delete bullets dot append, and this self dot delete bullets is the list we created up here. And here in this we'll add bullet name, not bullet, we'll just add bullet name. And after this for loop here, like after this for loop, we'll make another for loop for bullet in, and we'll do self dot delete bullets. Then we can just do self dot bullets dot pop, and here we'll do bullet. Yes, and after that we can just do self dot delete bullets dot clear, and this should work. And when we click on, and if we click on the mouse, then there should be bullets following in that direction, at least I hope so. And it is again taking a lot of time for my terminal to open, so let's just wait for some time. Oh my god, it's taking really long. So again we'll go to the file explorer and cmd, and let's just close this. And here again, okay, so it has come up now. Yes, we just click. So I do not see the bullets. I don't know what has happened to them, so let's just see what the problem is. Screen, we are blitting something, of course. Draw position. Okay, so let's just print this bullet. Print separate bullets. Let's just print it and see what the problem is. And again, it will take a lot of time for the terminal to open, or it will open easily, as it has. And then let's just go over here and click. Okay, so it has printed a long list. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay. So vector 2 of 50 and 50. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. And where is the draw position? It is drawing, then no, it's not drawing. It's not drawing it. Or maybe we just forgot to fill it. No, we are filling it. Oh, we forgot to use this. Wait, what has happened? Let me see. We're okay. In the run function, we're updating it after. Okay, so we have to update it. Actually, let's do something like this. No, wait. it is working like this, so what is the problem? Let's just print a bullet name for now. Print bullet name. Bullet name. Let's see what the problem is actually. Let's see what the problem actually is, right? Okay, let's click. So the bullet name is actually that. Oh, that's the problem. Or actually it's not. Wait, let's remove this print statement and run it again. Now let's see what the problem is. If it's 1, I think that should work, right? Then I don't know why it's not working. I don't know what the problem is. It is updating in here after filling the screen, and then it is blitting, right? Yes, I think that should work. Okay. After this, after we change this, basically we have to do self.bullets. We have to actually move the bullets, right? I forgot about that. We can just actually do this to bullet of position dot x plus equal to bullet angle this time, and this time we will wrap it around in a math.sign, and this time we'll do cos for the x, for the cos for the y. Oh my god, that was like the biggest mistake I have ever done in my life. But this will work now. We will see the bullets moving around as we should, I guess. Yes, but the bullets are moving really slowly. Okay, and let's just remove this print statement. That was actually for debugging, then I had forgotten. So let's just close out of the terminal. And actually let's multiply these two by something like 15. Something like 15 should work. Yes. And that is too fast. I don't even know if you saw it or not, but let me reduce the speed a bit. Let's do something like 7.5. And let's see what that looks like. And the terminal is not taking long to open now because it has warmed up, and it is still moving really fast. So let's just do it something like 5. Yeah, 5 should be fine, unless it is too slow again. No, I think that is fine. That is really nice. So yeah, that's the bullets done, and next time we'll code the enemies. So I guess it's peace time. Bye.